Hello, everyone. You are welcome to this wonderful session of today. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install Visual Studio Code. To do this, all you need to do is to go to any web browser of your choice. For example, as you can see on my screen, we have the Google Chrome, which is currently open. So what you need to do is that you just come into your search box and you just type Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio Code, and you hit enter. The first link that appears here, you are going to click on it and install. Remember, Visual Studio Code and not Visual Studio. Those are actually two different things. Now, when you click on this Visual Studio Code link, it's going to take you to this official website where now you can download for Windows. Since I'm dealing with Windows operating system, you just click on download. Once you click, if you look up here where the cursor is, you can see that the download has started. We have one download in progress. Yeah, it may take some time, but depending on your network and how good your machine is. So, all right, we are waiting for Visual Studio Code to be downloaded. Okay, and boom, we are finally there. So Visual Studio Code has been downloaded. Now, if we click on this, let's come in here. We click on Visual Studio Code. Doesn't start yet for some reason. Let's get okay. Now this is it. Now you click on I accept the agreement and you click on continue. After that, you click on probably you wanted to create a desktop icon on your desktop. So you click on that, and then now you can click on this here so that you can open with Windows Explorer, and you can equally click on this. Now take note, make sure that add to path is actually tick, right? Because when add to path is tick, it makes the work very easier. It makes life easy actually when you're working with Python. All right. So you click on next, and now it asks you to install Python. Since I already have Python installed on my machine, I'm going to cancel this. But now you just need to install. After installing, you click on finish, and then you can now launch Visual Studio Code. And after that, yeah, it prompts me exit setup, yes. And after that, you get to discover that you have Visual Studio Code on your desktop. Now, let's launch the Visual Studio Code. Okay, when you launch it, yeah, you have an interface that looks almost like this one, but you'll be a little bit different. Yeah, here you can actually see different files because I've actually been working on some Python projects, and yeah, here you can see the Python repository. So yeah, so after you have done this, we are going to continue from here in our next class. Stay blessed. Have a wonderful time. And remember, you will learn zero programming if you don't practice every day. Have a wonderful time.